We are one of the biggest mining companies in the country. We are one of the biggest steel companies in the country. And we have a very strong downstream presence in services, solutions, downstream value addition. Like we have a long value chain. So I think we see it end-to-end huge opportunities, right? There's a huge opportunity from a cost point of view to optimize across the value chain. So we have a lot of AI models running on that, on the cost optimization side. The second part is a customer experience part of it, where again, we have what we call the traditional B2B business, where we sell to auto companies and oil and gas companies, etc. Or we sell to the SMEs, or we sell to what we call the retail markets. We sell about 250,000 tons of steel every month to people who buy 1 or 2 or 3 tons of steel to build homes. So it's a huge, so we have different subsegments, and at least for the B2C side, there's a huge opportunity to understand those consumers better. We've created interfaces today that the order generation process is now digital, online. We have customers in the US and Southeast Asia and Middle East, Indian diaspora, placing orders for supply of steel in Kerala or Bihar or something. They're sitting there and ordering steel for their houses which are being built or for their parents or whatever. So you're opening up a new market. So I think there's a lot of work going on the customer, and then you get a lot of insights based on the data that is generated. So I think there's a lot happening on the customer side. There's a lot happening on the manufacturing excellence side.